Hi, my name is Sebastian Kuhn. I'm a UX and XR designer currently based in Singapore. I've been working on a personal project that aims to improve the design process of wayfinding designers by enabling them to test earlier, faster, and a lot more, which hopefully results in more robust wayfinding systems for all of us. The idea is simple. Essentially, we build a digital copy of your site from the Revit models and architectural plans you get from your client. Since you now have a digital copy of your site, you can jump in and prototype to scale and even get other people to test your designs. Let me show you how it works. The first part is previewing your designs in VR. To do this, you'll need to import your site and signage models into an engine that can run a VR headset, like Unity or Unreal. In my case, this project is done entirely in Unity. Once in Unity, you can change materials, text size, images, and a lot more. By using the prefab system, you can prototype variations and instances easily. Once that's done, you can then jump into VR and see how your designs will look like in real life. What's exciting is that since you now have the site and your models in VR, you can actually populate the scene and get people to try out your designs as a system. In the field of user experience, we call this usability testing. It's where you get people to test your designs, so you know if what you designed is actually usable before you ship the product into the real world. If you had to build a test like this from scratch in VR, it would be pretty complicated. The work I've done takes care of the whole testing procedure behind the scenes, so it's easy for you to get set up and test your designs. Let's see it in action. First, you'll need to indicate which locations you want people to find in your site. Once you're ready, you can invite people in to view your project in VR. Test participants are shown the test locations that you've chosen. Their job is to find these locations with the wayfinding system you've created. Once they think they are in the right place, they can go ahead and do a check. Once successful, the next task is automatically shown. If they get it wrong, they can always try again. After 3 tries, the task is failed and they automatically move on. If your location gets too frustrating, there's also an option for testers to give up on the task. All the results are recorded and sent to a Google form of your choosing. You can then open it in Google Sheets to view. By comparing the data, you'll get a good overview of where your designs excel or need work on. This is just a proof of concept, and I'm hoping to add more features in the future, like allowing you to test different environmental conditions, accessibility features, and a comment mode for your testers to show you what they were confused with. What do you think? Is this something you can see yourself using in your workflow? My goal is to get feedback from as many wayfinding designers as possible so that I know if this idea is worth investing more time in and which features I should be building next. If you're interested in trying the demo project for yourself, I'll leave the documentation and GitHub links below. That's all for now. Thanks for your time. Ciao.